Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to our GoLang tutorial series. Before moving ahead with the second part of GoLang module exercises, I wanted to let you know that these exercises are based on the theory section that we have discussed in the video lectures from 6.1 to 6.6, and in the practical section I have also attached the GitHub code to repository links in the description below. So let's start with today's demonstration. We have used multiple tags, or you can say versions, in the previous part. Today we are going to discuss on moving to the version 2 or changing the major version. Before moving ahead, there can be multiple versions between V1 to V2. Just for demo purpose, I am creating a version V1.2.3, and there can be such multiple versions. So these are the all the versions that have been created. And now you consider that you want to change the major version because you need to break some backward compatibility, or there is some major upgradation that is required that you need to represent using your version 2 rather than version 1. So what you will do, first go to the code and once again use the code space. So this is setting up. Now let's say you want to break the compatibility or do some major changes. For example, in the test directory hello.go, there is a hello function which only required one argument up till now. Now you want to change argument. So let's say add some greetings. So this greet will be also a string, and we want to use this greeting the name part. So it will return a string in which first part will be greet and second part will be name. Let's say greet equals to hello and name equals to J. So the print would be hello J. If greet equals to welcome, then the return string would be welcome J. Similarly, greet can change to anything. So this hello function is changed due to this argument change. Now you want to move to version 2. So in order to move towards version 2, you need to change branch. As we have discussed earlier, whenever you need to do a major version update, first step was we have to create a new branch. For version 2, that would be V2. In case after V2 you want to change to V3, then you will use V3 over here. Version 3, version 4, this will go on up till you want to change the major version. Let me just move towards this code space. I am going to copy it and I am doing the Control Z part. Now I want to firstly create the branch. I will not change anything in this version 1 branch or the main branch. I would have to make the changes in a new branch. I will not touch this function before moving to new branch. Let me check out new branch. Git checkout -b means create the new branch, and v2 is the name of the new branch. So you can see over here from main it have changed to v2 branch. Now you can copy this code and paste it over new branch, and then before committing you need to take care of the module naming. So now the module will include this v2, so the module name changes. We have to modify this go.mode, that is here we will add v2 and save. So learn.go is throwing an error because it is using this module. So in order to use the new module, we have to correct the package as well as module name. So that's what we discussed earlier. We have to modify the module name and we have to modify the package name. Since the package name is correct over here, problem has disappeared. Go module name is changed, our major version changes are done. So that means it is ready to commit. Use git add dot and then git commit -m, then the comment that we want to pass. So comment would be moving to version 2. That's it. So it have changed. Now I want to push it to v2 branch. So I will use git push -u origin. Since I have changed to v2 branch, I have to tell it that I want to connect it to the v2 branch, not the main branch. If I use the git push, then it might push the code directly to the main branch. So I have to tell that use the same URL. That means origin is keyword that is generally used to represent the remote URL, and v2 means the branch. v2 push is done. Now let us check the GitHub. Go to v2 branch and check out the Go module. Version 2 is updated. Check the test hello.go, that is also updated. Now the major version change might impact our code as well, because we are using a module and we want to switch to the latest version. If we are good with the previous version, that is v1, that is in the main branch, is good with our code. But if we want to move towards version 2 to the latest changes, there might be some additional features that we want to use from v2. That's why we might need to move to v2. But it might also break our code. A developer creating a module have to maintain both version 1 and version 2. They have to be clear with the developers that how long they will maintain the version 1 that is present in the main branch, how long they will keep fixing the bugs in the main branch. For us, we are using main branch. For different developer, the branch name might be different. So let's move further. Now let's say up till now we were happy with version 1 and we might use it for over a year, but after that we feel like we need to shift to version 2 because there are some changes and we want that feature. For upgrading to version 2, firstly need to create a version. That means for v2 also need to create a tag. I will draft a new release, and for now I will choose the branch v2 and the tag can be v2.0.0. Once we publish, it is created from the v2 branch. Now let's go to our code and migrate to module mymod slash v2, and the version would be v2.0.0. Actually it is showing some error. This is because we should have used v2 over here. Correcting this path as well as correcting the path would be mymod slash v2. Now we will hit go mode td and it has started downloading the next version. Once it have downloaded, some of the error have been resolved and one error is still there. That is because hello function would take some variable that is named greet. Here we will pass an argument, let's say greetings exclamation. Now we will try to run the command, that is go run dot slash cmd first and then dot enter. So see greetings Jack. That's it about the major version upgrade. This way you can move towards multiple version upgrades like moving v2 to version 3, version 4 and so on, maintaining the previous major versions. That's for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment your queries in the section below. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe Tech World with G. Thank you.